Oh, what do we have here?
You don't have
close
to
your mouth and walk over here to my car.
You's a bitch, my nigga.
Hello. Hey, how's it going? I'm Officer Brayfield, Dark Police Department. Hey, the reason I pulled you over, do you know the speed limit going down John Barrow?
What's the speed limit?
It's 40, sweetheart. You was going like 53. But that's
a light.
when you went down John Barrow passing car time, you sped up, but I mean, it's no big deal. Also, when you make your lane changes, be
Is that Martin Luther King as a cop?
careful how you cut in front of other vehicles, okay? But other than that, do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance?
You don't see him in the mirror right there, bro? I have a dream looking ass.
Registration? Okay, that's cool. What's your first and last name? Okay, where you headed? Where you work? Okay. Can you spell it for me?
Tylesha.
Tylesha. And your last name is what? I'm sorry, I can't hear you, ma'am. Scott. What's your date of birth, Miss Scott?
5/10/2000.
I still can't hear you, sweetheart.
5/10/2000.
510 or 2000. And what's a good phone number we can reach at? I mean, you're using the phone now, Miss Scott.
This ain't my phone number.
I mean, you don't have a number.
Really? Come on now, Thickiana.
We can contact you at. Okay. Miss Scott, I'm going to ask now because now I've got to.
Hello.
Hey, Miss Scott.
What's up?
Is your license suspended?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, is that why you acting like that? Well, I mean, Miss Scott, I didn't know that because I don't.
doing that, Mama. I'm just saying I wasn't even doing that. Like, I'm riding.
She over here driving to work and has her license suspended. Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
Hey, Miss Scott, will you shut your vehicle off for me?
If I was doing something, I'm literally on John Barrow.
Mrs. Scott, Miss Scott.
I'm not talking to you. I'm on the
Hey,
phone.
will you turn your vehicle off and will you hand me your key, please? Miss Scott, I need your key.
You need my key for?
Because at this point, you just told me you got a suspended license, Miss Scott.
What you need the key for?
Because I've got to impound your car. So.
Nah, he's talking about he's impounding.
You think that's appropriate?
Mama, you can't talk to him.
Well, hey,
talk to you.
Miss Scott, will you step out of the vehicle for me?
Mama, I'm not finna beg this man. I'm gonna go get my car out too. Mama, he not finna let you come get no car. You doing too much.
Hey, Miss Scott, do me a favor, okay? Hang that up for me.
Now he put me in handcuffs for no reason.
The car smells like weed, Miss Scott.
I'm not even doing that. Then why you gotta grab me? Okay, you don't have to touch.
I'm not even doing nothing. You're driving with a suspended license speeding. At least if you're going to have a suspended license, at least follow the fucking law.
See, you haven't asked me to do anything.
Scott,
you do not have to grab me. Ask me to go back there.
Hey, Miss Scott, this is the part where you start doing what I ask you.
But you don't have to
close your mouth
me, boy.
and walk over here to my car.
You's a bitch, my nigga. You's a bitch.
Oh.
I don't give a fuck. Get your mad ass on.
Miss Scott.
You the one that's mad. He been really nice to you this whole time.
Get your bitch off me. Get your weird ass on.
Do it now. Do it now, Miss Scott. Miss Scott.
You's a bitch.
Hands against the car.
You's a bitch. You doing all that, bro. Get your bitch ass on. You's a bitch.
Crack heels.
On your stomach.
On the self,
On your stomach.
Fuck out of you. Get your
On
bitch
your
ass
stomach.
on. You's a bitch, Rello. You just want to do the most. Get your bitch ass on. You just trying to do the most. You's a bitch. You's a bitch, Rello.
She sound a lot bigger than what she actually is.
A simple warning.
Get your bitch ass on. You're a bitch. On the blood, you're a bitch. Don't give a fuck. You's a bitch.
If the blood's gonna help you out right now.
You mad as fuck, overly doing the most, just bad. You overly doing the most. You did not have to just do all this. Get your bitch ass on. You're a bitch.
Are these too tight?
You're a bitch. That's bitch. You doing the most for no reason. You act like I'm resisting arrest or something. You was bored. You bored as fuck trying to show off your
Massachusetts? Oh no, Arkansas. And they got some killers in Arkansas.
Get your lame ass on. Use them. I ain't real. Use the lame, fam. Can you get the fuck off me? Why are you standing on top of my bed? Why are you on my bed? I want a supervisor. On the hood, I want a sergeant. You doing the most.
Could you start this way for use force?
On the hood.
I'm gonna roll you over to your side and stand you up.
Oh, you're doing the most. I want to start you here. I'm scared. I don't know you. I'm scared.
Miss Scott, roll over to your side.
I can't.
Miss Scott,
The
I'm gonna
handcuffs
lift you
tight.
myself.
I can't. Well, do it. Because I can't do nothing.
I'm trying not to hurt you, Miss Scott.
I can't. I can't get up.
To your side, and I'm gonna help you seat up.
I cannot get up. You're doing the most.
Roll over to your side, Miss Scott. Miss Scott.
You're doing the most, my nigga. You're doing the most. You're doing the most.
That's it.
You're doing the absolute most. That was for no reason. Is you bored? You tried to show off something? Is you trying to show off a move, my nigga? That was lame. That was lame as fuck. I cannot get up.
Not sitting Indian style, you can't.
That was for no reason.
071, I'm 10-4.
That was lame.
All right, come on.
I cannot get up.
You've got to.
I can't. My arm's hurt. I cannot get up.
Miss Scott, I'm gonna help you stand
I
up.
can't. I'm telling you, I can't.
Miss Scott.
Third floor. Thank you.
Can I get up?
Miss Scott.
I can't get up. What is you getting mad at me for? You just threw me on the ground. I went on the ground at first. You just threw me on the ground for no reason. Was I resisting
It be snowing in Arkansas, I didn't know that.
arrest? What was the point of that? I really want to know what was the point of all that. That was unnecessary.
You see how you keep talking?
That was very unnecessary.
I'm telling you.
She don't know how to shut up, that's for sure.
I ain't gonna lie, that was unnecessary. The throw on the ground was very
All right, Miss
unnecessary.
Scott. Hey,
That was unnecessary.
I need you to stand up for me so I can go to my car.
I can't get up. Either you gonna pick me up or what?
I'm trying to help you.
Okay, well these two
will
tight, I
stop
cannot
talking.
get up. I'm not
Miss Scott, I
talking. You
can't
asking me, okay, what's so bad?
Until
I
you
can't
stand
get
up.
up.
I'm gonna help you stand. You need to use your feet and get them under you so
Lean on me.
that you can stand up, okay? So on the count of 3, I'll lift you, use your feet. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Can I get up? These, you pulling my arm, that shit hurt. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Miss Scott.
What are you getting mad for? I'm trying
Miss Scott,
to
I'm
get
not
up.
angry at you.
You just threw me on the ground for no reason. I couldn't understand if I was doing something. That was unnecessary. You know it was.
Yeah,
I ain't doing nothing to you. You throwing me on the ground for what?
Miss
Did you,
Scott, I haven't been
like,
angry
what
with
did I do for you to
the
do all
entire
this?
time. Hey, could I not get out? Did you guys not hear me on the radio?
What?
Did my traffic come through?
Yeah.
Like, that was so unnecessary. I don't even want to talk to him no more. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I don't want to talk to him at all. Like, bro, this man just threw me on the ground for no reason. I wasn't resisting arrest or none of that. Like, I don't like that. I'm on my way to work. I don't like that. You ain't have to do all that, Rello. I wasn't resisting arrest.
Who is Rillo?
Man, I don't like shit
All
like
right, Miss
that.
Scott. Hey, would you guys help Miss Scott stand up?
Yeah, I don't want him helping me none of that. Oh, God. This man just did the absolute most.
Every time I see somebody with a bald head, I just want to say Michael Jordan right on their shit.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. Oh, could I not?
No, we heard you on a traffic stop, and then there was a 60s unit hit into you, and then next thing we know, we said you had to use the force. So,
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
actually, y'all straight. Wow.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
That was so unnecessary. You pulled my pants from me. It was just unnecessary. I don't like that. I wasn't doing nothing to this man.
Hey, she's going to go to jail now for refusal to submit, so you just want to throw her in the back of my car. Yeah.
All of that for nothing. What was the charge? Did they even give a charge?
071.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, could you start a contract record?
All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.